Now, one special type of discrete random variable we'll be interested in is what's called a binomial random variable. And that's a random variable that comes from a binomial experiment. So a binomial experiment satisfies 4 conditions. Number 1, there have to be a fixed number of independent or identical trials. Trials have to have only 2 outcomes, success and failure, heads and tails, yes and no. The probability of success, which we'll denote with a small p, has to be the same for all the trials. And then the trials have to be independent. So let's look at an example here. We toss a fair coin 10 times. Is this a binomial experiment? Well, are they identical trials? Yes, tossed in the same coin 10 times. So that one is true. Only 2 outcomes? Yeah, heads or tails. So that one's true. Probability of success, is it the same? Well, it's a fair coin. So the probability of our success, whether we call it heads or tails, is going to be 1/2. And then are the trials independent? Yes, they are. The outcome on one flip does not affect the next flip. So outcome of a flip doesn't affect later flips. So this is indeed a binomial experiment. And then condition 5 is just really naming the random variable. So x here could be, for example, the number of heads. That could be our random variable. Or it could be number of tails. Let's say number of heads. So that is our random variable, and it is a binomial random variable.